Hello everyone, this is my unboxing video and full review of Callme P20 Plus smartwatch after using it for a couple of weeks. So, nabili ko nga ito last month during flash sale for only 535 pesos. For this price point, napakapalaban na smartwatch na to. No wonder bestseller siya sa online app na nabilhan ko. Nakalagay nga pala dito is calling smartwatch, so obviously pwede itong gamitin sa calls. Pinili ko yung silver na color kasi match siya sa kahit anong OOTD ko. Inside the box is the smartwatch itself and the charger. Nandito rin yung instruction card. Maganda yung quality ng rubber strap niya and it has aluminum frame. Nakalagay nga dito is charge before use. After charging it for around 1 hour, puno na siya. You have to scan the QR code para ma-download mo yung manual and the Fit app. Pero pwede mo din naman siyang i-search sa Play Store. So eto na nga, i-explore na natin to. If you swipe it up, makikita mo yung notifications. You can expand it by tapping on the message. If you swipe it down, nandito naman yung DND mode, brightness level, low power mode, tapos pwede ka din maglagay ng e-card for easy payments. Pwede mo ilagay yung QR ng GCash mo dito. Tapos ito naman yung calling mode and the last one is the settings. Inside the settings is the display. Dito mo ma-adjust yung brightness level, sleep time, tsaka yung wallpaper ng smartwatch mo. May iba't ibang klase din ng menu view. Tapos, pwede mo din i-on or off yung wrist raise. May tatlong mode ito, if vibrate lang, vibrate and ring, or silent. Pwede mo rin ito lagyan ng password for security. Dito naman yung restart, power off, and reset. Tapos, ito yung information ng smartwatch mo. By swiping to the left, you'll see shortcuts. Pero nandito yan lahat sa menu. Inside the menu ay makikita mo ang napakaraming functions. Ito yung fitness tracker where you can count your steps and monitor your burnt calories. May sleep tracker din. It can measure your heart rate. Dito sa phone call menu, nandito yung recent calls mo, yung dial pad, and you can add your primary contacts too. Up to 5 contacts nga pala ang pwede mo ilagay dun. May iba't ibang activity din for exercise. Let's try to open this at ganito yung monitoring ng activity mo. Pwede mo balikan yung records. You can also measure your blood pressure, SpO2, and your stress level. You can check the weather for the week and again, the messages. So, pwede rin siyang shutter. Just open the app on your phone, press the red button to capture. And this is the music player. Yung speaker niya is very good for its price point naman. Ang ganda, diba? Nandito sa side yung speaker niya. Pakinggan natin. May relaxation mode para i-guide ka whether you're stressed or falling asleep. Also AI voice. This is the timer. You can set an alarm here. Here's the stopwatch. A cycle tracker for girls. A find your phone, which is one of the useful feature of this. A calculator and a game. Ito yung uso dati na 2048. You can add shortcuts by swiping to the right and change the watch face kapag nilong press mo siya. This smartwatch claims to have an IP68 protection. For the screen, very good din ang display. Tumagal ng 3 days to bago malobat. For a mom like me, sobrang useful na smartwatch na to sa akin, especially sa times na hindi ko mahawakan ng phone ko kasi hawak ko si baby. I can easily answer phone calls and make calls. Makakapagbasa din ako ng messages and other notifs kahit nasa bag yung phone ko. Kung functions talagang pag-uusapan at mura ay 10 out of 10 to sa akin. Kayo guys, ano sa tingin nyo? Sulit ba to? And if may recommendation kayo, comment nyo lang sa baba. If you like this video, don't forget to follow my page, Love Vane. Thank you! Bye!